Hello. So today I'm gonna try an exercise which I just kind of thought of this morning, and I don't know if there's it's I can imagine probably if you take this exercise to its extreme, it's probably or do the entirety of the exercise, it probably takes a very very long time because I think the number of combinations must be just so vast. But in a sense, you kind of have to know all the combinations, it's could be useful to know all the combinations, or in a sense, if you learn some other skills, you will know all the combinations. But the idea is that this is just gonna bring them out somehow. So in the same way that you can drill where for example where the different notes are on the fretboard, so you can say where is all the E's, you've got you can just kind of find them like that. I was thinking it could be useful to have memorized the degrees, the intervals, so that that's a fifth, right? So that's a fifth up. So I guess what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a random note, and then I'm going to try and find each of the intervals in succession. So I'm going to go minor second up, minor second down, major third up, minor major third. Oh, sorry. Try this again. Minor second up, minor second down, major second up, major second down, minor third up, minor third down, major third up, major third down, and so on and so on. Okay, so let's give it a go. Okay, so the first note we generated is A. Okay, so we want a minor second down. Okay, so there isn't one there, or I'm thinking of ones that you can play together, by the way. So that one doesn't count as one. But you can play it there. You can play it. No. There. Yes, that's it. Yeah. Okay, I think that's all the ones to A. Okay, so we're gonna go. So that's an interesting, right? Because that's kind of the shape for the minor second. It's this kind of stretchy 1 to 4. Just kind of an imagined one there. So the stretch kind of varies, but that's the idea, I think. Yeah. I guess depending what string you're playing, where the G string is going to make a problem, as it always does. Okay, what's next? Okay, so we're going to do major. So we're going to do minor second down. No, that was a minor second down. Then we're going to do minor second up. Okay, but we're going to do it on C sharp. Okay, so there's C sharp. So we can't. So it's not going to be possible on the E string because. Oh no, maybe it is. Hang on, let's think. So we've got a C sharp, so we want a D. I don't know if it's possible. Yeah. But it's not going to be possible on the top string. Yeah, that's what I meant. Well, that's what I should have meant. Okay, so we've got C sharp there, that's good. Yeah. This is hard. Not possible there, but so that one you can't do it, but let's try that again. major seconds up. So yeah, again, that's like the kind of the opposite way around. Like we had this kind of that kind of thing before for the minor second down, and then it's the other way around for the no, yeah, it's the same one, right? It's the same thing because that's what it is to go up a minor second. No, it doesn't change because the interval is the same. Okay, good. Okay. Now we're going to do major third, no, minor third up. Okay, so pick a new note. A sharp. Okay. So minor third up from A sharp. No. Yeah, so that's, we're going to C, so no, sorry, C sharp. Try that again. Okay, alright, now we're going to go minor third down, which, as we now know, is the same thing as going a minor third down. Which, of course it is. Okay, we're going to pick a new note though. Okay, we're G Lydian. Okay, well, I mean, I guess that means that the number of combinations is actually decreased quite a lot, because if you can... Actually, no, that's not true, because if you find... well, yeah, it is true, because let's say we're thinking about the minor second up, for example, from, I don't know, C sharp again. Knowing what a minor second up from C sharp is to know all the if you know all the combinations of minor seconds up from C sharp, then you know all the combinations of minor second down from D. Right? So yeah, it does decrease the number, but it's not quite the same thing. Okay, or we've got a G now, so we're going minor third down from G. Okay, well, there isn't one there. I mean, kind of not what we're looking for. Okay, so then... But yeah, I guess the point of this exercise then, on reflection, is that you learn the shapes that each interval has. So like, the minor third interval has that shape. Okay, alright, we're doing a major third now, and we've got D sharp as the next one. Okay, so we're going major thirds up. So, I mean, if if that was the minor third, then presumably the major third is that, I guess. So it's okay, all right, good. And then down, okay, we're going to pick a different note for down, just to really get the point across. Okay, so you've got C sharp again. All right, so C sharp, well, okay, we can't do the down one on this string, but we can do, yeah. My problem is with the down ones is that I can't remember the sound of them, but like I guess all of them have like kind of mnemonic kind of things with them. So you have like the, I guess that's like the doorbell, isn't it? The ding dong, ding dong. Yeah, okay, good. But the shape is the same. Oh, I was supposed to be doing C sharp, not A. What am I doing? Okay, all right, we're gonna try the perfect fourth, right? So good, we're gonna start on A. Okay, so we've got perfect fourth up from A. So when we get to the G string, it's the other part. And on open strings, most of the open strings are the same because there's no fretting because the strings are tuned to fourth part. Okay, and all right, good. So now we want fourth down. So D flat. Okay, so fourth down from D flat. So it isn't going to go on the bottom string. Okay, but then we're going to go. this wrong? Oh, right. Yeah. Oh, stupid. Right, that was a mistake. Okay, so. Listen, you try it. It's hard. Okay. All right. We're going. So now we've got perfect fourth, one above that. We've got the augmented fourth slash diminished fifth. And we're going to do that with, which is the tritone, right? So now we're going to do that with F. Okay, so we're going to go up by a tritone with F. Now I know this one. Like I know that's the thing, right? So I think this is like the only one that I actually really have in my head. Like that's how you play tritones, just like that, and you get this nice octave effect as well. Whatever, that's a good spot. So yeah. Well, that's next anyway. We're going up currently. Okay. Now, how do you do it on this string? Okay, so that was tritones up. Next, we're going to do D flat, tritones down. Okay, so we're going to go. Oops. Why am I getting those D flats wrong? Weird, I'm playing E flats. No. Flats, I don't know why. I'm just not used to thinking about D flats, I think. It's not something that you come across that much in guitar music. But still, it's a sorry excuse, isn't it? Okay, alright, now we're doing perfect fifths up. So, good. And we're starting on A. So, that's that, yeah. Could also be that. Okay, alright, and now down again. Okay, so now we're going to go F. Okay, so okay, all right, good. Next, we're going up by a -6. Okay, so we're doing G, starting on G. Okay, so this is where I'm going to start losing it completely. Okay, so -6. Okay. That's the Tristan and his old one, isn't it? I think is that how it resolves? Yeah. Okay, and now going down. Okay, so we've won -6 down, starting on B. Okay, so not quite. I think we can't do that one. Okay, fine. Okay, right, we're on major sixes now. Major 6, okay. Starting on D sharp. Okay, so now do we cross over to the next string? I don't know. Alright, let's see. So that's A, C. Yes, I mean also with minor 6s, you can play them like that. So it's that and that. Which also means that the fifths, we have another option for fifths as well. Yeah, I kind of wasn't thinking. Okay, when I do this again. I'm going to do all the variations because it's important knowledge. Okay. But not today. I think a more natural way of playing that is like that. Like that's a 6. Okay, so it's not on D sharp. Oh, so we have one there as well. So on this one, good. Okay, so the effect of the G string is kind of comes a string earlier. So yeah. No. What am I playing? D sharps, like a 6. Yeah. But it also affects that one, so. That's it. That's as far as we can go, I guess. Or 30. You could also do that. But yeah, that's also kind of natural. I should learn that one though. Like I think that's just enough within reach that like it's possible to do it. Okay. But good. Okay, so good. So I mean, like in a sense, like what this exercise amounts to learning is a single shape or 2 or 3 shapes for each interval. I guess like there's like a basic one for each of them, right? Like that's the fifth shape. That's the 4th shape, you know. But there are other ways of doing it. Like the 5th can also be like that. And that one can be, yeah. But you also have to learn the G/B string variation. Okay. Good. So major 6, right? So major 6? No, minor 7. Yeah, it's major 6. Okay, so did we just do that one there? Yeah, we did, right? Okay, no, we did do that already. So we're on to minor 7 now. Okay, so it's quite good. That's kind of like in the major like minor 7 chord or major with a minor 7 chord. Okay, alright, good. I can remember that. Question is, how does it play out here? Just run an F. Okay, that's not so bad. Just move it up by 1. Okay, let's try it down. Okay, so we've got G sharps now. So we're going down by a minor 7th in G sharp. Okay, so to G sharp. No, from G sharp. I guess also we have sorry. Okay, and the last one, the major 7. Okay, now I'm going to start from E. Okay, so we do that. So, no, that's an octave. Okay, I knew that. Oh, God, I love major 7. Such a cool interval. So full of like yearning. To finish this off, we're going to go down by major 7. Okay, and we're starting on G this time. Okay, so. So. No. Yeah, it's the same. I guess it's such a jump that you kind of need the octave. You kind of it's like nearly the octave, so the jumps just get bigger and bigger. Okay, and then. Okay, and there it is. I don't know. That's the exercise. Is it good? I don't know. Does it do anything? Maybe.